Hello friends, welcome back and hope you enjoyed your Navratra festivities, Garba dance with your family and friends. Today I'm back with an easy cheesy snack. We are going to make cheese and vegetable fritters. They are not like Indian pakoras but little different. Maybe we can call them Italian pakoras. So shall we get started and make this cheesy snack and enjoy it?
Cheese and vegetable fritters. A delicious tea time snack. For this we'll require bell peppers or capsicums, all the three colors, diced. We'll use about 2 tablespoons each. Finely chopped onion, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Oil to fry. Baking powder, 2 to 3 pinches. Basil, 1 teaspoon. You can also use fresh instead. All-purpose flour or maida, 1.5 cups. Grated cheese, 3/4 cup. Use any cheese. Salt to taste. Black pepper, about half teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of spring onions. Now ingredients also can be checked in the description box. First we'll do the mixing. Transfer the flour into the larger bowl. Add the cheese. Next we'll add all the diced vegetables, the capsicums, onion, spring onion, about 2 to 3 pinches of baking powder, basil 1 teaspoon. You can use any herb you have at home. Salt little bit. Be very careful as the cheese is already salty, and black pepper about half teaspoon. You could also use white pepper. Mix all the ingredients first with a spoon until they are combined together. Now adding water little by little. Make the thick batter. Don't add lot of water at a time. Add little by little so you can control the consistency, as we need a very thick batter. About 3 times I added 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is how it should be, like dough. Now we'll start the frying process. Pour oil in a pan and heat it. Check the temperature by inserting a wooden stick. This is a tip. When you see small bubbles around it, then it is hot. Reduce the temperature now and drop small balls of the batter, like marble sized balls. This is best done with a hand because the cheese gets stuck to the spoon and it's very difficult to use a spoon to drop these. Now with the spatula, you have to keep turning them. Because the cheese is sticky, these tend to get stuck to each other. So when they are little brown, you can separate them with the help of the spatula. Keep turning them so that they get fried evenly to a nice and golden color. Lovely. These are so delicious. Once they are done, remove them on a kitchen tissue. Look at the crunchiness. You can even hear them, so crispy they are. The same way, fry the remaining pakoras. Maybe to avoid sticking, you can put less number, about 8 or 10 in each batch. This way they will not get stuck to each other. This time it was easier. Remove them. Wow, the crispy, crunchy cheese and vegetable fritters are ready. Serve them immediately after frying. Enjoy them at tea time, and they make a great party snack also when you are having friends over. Do give it a try. And here, instead of these bell peppers, you can also add carrot, broccoli, any other vegetable you like. Let's do the tasting. Some chili sauce. Wow, super. Nice texture. They are crispy on the outside and soft inside because the cheese is there. The cheese keeps them soft and moist inside. Wow, they taste amazing, so crispy and delicious. Friends, you must give them a try and share the feedback if you like them. Thanks for watching this video, and check out some videos from the archives also in case you have missed them earlier. Bye until next.